those of you who want can join me for the last 3 elements which we are bringing into one picture, in which they can live. And somehow with the OEM, we were dealing with our, how do we bring balance between our a being of love and being a being of need of protection, leading us towards the L being a being of earth and light, of darkness and light at the same time. But the L also made us aware there is this side of light. And this sequence leads us to this side. Not to disappear in it, but somehow to invite it to be present and us to be aware of it, that it's there. And when you just again arrive at your heart, you can start feeling maybe my heart is not just muscles and movements and flows, but it's a radiance around it. It's light around it. And allow yourself to feel this light, quality. And then lead this light, or keep this awareness of light alive when you move through your body. To get rooted, to get right light heals, to grow. And then again, breathe. And let go. And now Eurythmy functions, works through perception. We are not doing movements. And especially if we want to connect to the light forces, we need we use our body in a fine way. And just use your hands to slowly approach the sphere of your heart. Dear little heart, how are you doing today? So nice to feel you here. It's nice to be with you. Good to have you. Dear little heart, may I come in? Fingertips start asking. The heart says, yes, come. And then the fingertips start feeling the light of the heart. And the fingertips just follow the rays of the radiant heart. And you come back, and like a candle which lightens the room, because doesn't become dimmer just because it lightens the room, the heart doesn't lose any of this light. It's light just because you follow it into all corners of your room. You come back, and your fingertips just follow the beams they feel. And the body also feels beams of light going through it, and also rejoices and stretches itself by itself. Light from the heart makes my fingers bring my arms in all directions. Light from the heart makes me upright and straight. Light. And when you now connect with your fingertips, with the sphere of light, as if you could touch the walls, the light on the walls now. And then you slowly create a gesture of shelter, of surroundings, of wrapping a sheath around you. And this in Eurythmy we call B gesture. B, because when you form with your mouth so strong, B, you also, it just feels healthy and strong and full. Yeah? B, yeah? Ready to blast. But now we have crossed the threshold. So it's not we pull a protection sheath around us, yeah, to create warmth. But we have reached the sphere of light, or we imagine it, yeah? So when from the heart we go out, then we invite the light to come along. And it's more the outside of the arm which says, come on light, come along. And rays of light start coming along and creating a sheath around me, wrapping me in and feeling me in a body of light. And then again, when I don't forget this body of light when I come to my heart, and gratefully I connect with my body, and I feel that my heart is a big sun, and I just feel the sun of my heart. And then slowly I invite the sphere of my heart, I invite my big sun to slowly sink into me and to find its place in me, as if it could rest on my diaphragm or in my hips. Yeah. Duh. And you feel, duh, it arrives. And then let go. I or E, we will look into it. The moment it's more, the stretching is E, but we speak about light. The B is made from light. And the D is the light brought on earth in my body, through my body. From the heart, the fingertips are allowed to feel it. E. I am light. Carefully I bring this light. I invite it to come along. It's not inside my arms. I pull it along. And it follows and weaves my shirt. Body of light. And then from my heart, the big sun which I am, enters through my body onto earth. Light on earth. Light in me. Duh. One last time, just without my words. E, B, D. In the light of my heart. E. Light. B. Light. day, light. Let go, which means the hands go to your center. They want to say hello to you. Let your breath react and breathe. I invite you to relax even a little bit longer, as if you would sit on a lake and the waves just go to the other coast, and after quite a long time they come back, surprisingly enough, and then go again. That you let what you have done somehow disappear slowly in the floods of your own sea of wisdom which your body is. Let go of how you think you should have done it, how one could have done better.